Hi there, it's Celeste again here with Good Enough Sewing. So this is pattern making and material cutting. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today in this video. So what you're going to need for this step is your craft paper or whatever paper that you've chosen, the 18 by 18. You're going to need both pieces of your material that's also 18 by 18. You're going to need either pins or little clothespins or the or this kind of pin, okay, to fasten it down before you cut. You're gonna need your paper scissors and your material scissors. Okay, you don't really need the small one right now. And then of course you're gonna need either a ruler or a tape measure. So the first thing we're gonna do with this is we're going to, I'm sorry, you're going to hear the noise, but that's what it is. So what we're first going to do is we're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half. Okay. And it's okay, if it's not like perfect, because mine is not perfect, because, this is Good Enough Sewing. It's not perfect sewing. So we want to half like this. So it's you're going to have to fight with it because it loves to curl. It loves to curl. Okay, right, I got it down. Now, once you have it in half, you do it in half again. So you're going to end up with a square. You're going to end up with a square. Like this. Okay? Now, the top part, the fold like this, that's what you want on the top, because these are going to be your sleeves. Okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark this. So I have the measurements right here. So from this top corner here, right here, we're going to go 1 inch down. So get your ruler. Let me see this. You get your ruler and you mark from the top to the bottom 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch down, 1 inch down, and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna write it down. 1 inch down. Okay, and we're gonna go 1 inch down, 2 inches across. 2 inches across. Okay, this again. I'm gonna go 2 inches across, and we're gonna mark it. Okay. We're going to mark it like that. Then we're going to get the ruler and we are going to line it up. Okay, we're going to go there, 2 inches across, and then we're going to go 1 inch. So this is what you should have so far. Okay, now from this point here, okay, not this point here where you're already in 2 inches, you're going to go from this to here, and you're going to measure 5.5 inches. Okay, 5.5 inches. And mark it. So from here to here is 5.5 inches. From here to here is 4 inches and 2 centimeters. Okay, 4 inches, 2 centimeters. Yes, if you're fighting with your paper, so am I. So we're going to go 4 inches and 2 centimeters. So 4 and then 1, 2. And we're going to mark it. Okay? See? I marked it. Right there. 4.5. Okay? So then we're going to make the line. Line it up. No problem. Line it up. Okay, this is what you have so far. All right, now from this point we're going to go 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. So I'm going to grab this again. You're going to go 3.5 mark it, and then you're going to draw it. Okay? Mark it and draw it. Okay? What did you have so far? Now, from this bottom part, it's 4.5 inches. You're going to go down 4.5 inches and mark it. Now, it's going to be pretty close to the edge because you see that? And that's where you want it to be. And that's fine. And you may have a little extra. Okay, so this is what you have so far. Got it? So now we're going to get our paper scissors and we're going to cut it. So we're just going to cut. We're going to cut this out and we're going to cut this up here out, and we're going to trim the bottom. That's all we're doing. So really quickly, can't see what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. I'm going to cut. See how I'm cutting? And you're cutting with me. See? Good enough sewing. Takes you through the steps in real time. And we're going to do this part right here. And then we're going to cut this. Get rid of all this curly stuff now, right? It's in your way. Get rid of that. You don't need that. Okay? And then you want to trim the bottom. Where was the bottom? The bottom was at 4.5 from the inseam. Okay. So just trim it up a little bit so that's kind of evened out. Okay? So this is your pattern, okay? So here's the thing. Do not open this up and then place it on top of your material and then cut it all out like that, okay? I used to do it that way. You're gonna, more chance of having mistakes when you do it like that. You just cut it on the fold of the material itself like this. And then you get something that's, you know, a lot more precise. So you want to grab your material, okay? This is your 1818, right? Same sizing. So you want to fold it in half, the best you can. You want to try to crease it because you don't want one side to be longer than the other. So you want to try to crease it as much as you can, and then of course fold it in half again. So then again you have the square, right? So you have the square, and then you see the top part. You want this part to be on the top because again, these are your sleeves, right? That's your sleeves. So we're gonna put this on top of it like that. And then this is what I mean about the clothespins. If you pin it with the clothespins like this, instead of using the regular push pins, it's so much easier to cut around. You see that? It's so much easier to cut around. So that's all you do then. You just cut around your pattern the best you can. And don't worry about making any mistakes or anything. Okay? So far that's what I have. Now we're going to go to this part right here. Oh, this camera, I guess you can't really see what I'm doing. I should be able to show you. Here, I know right here we can see it. Oh, I'm using the wrong scissors. That's why it's not working right. See? That is my paper scissors. This is my material scissors. See? Oh, so much easier, so much better. Okay, we're going to get to the bottom. So the corner part sometimes is a little tricky, so just do your best, okay? Just kind of snip it the best you can. And then if you have it like that, that's fine. Don't worry about it. This is, I use this as scrap material and to test the threading with the bobbin. So I do use this. I usually cut the end off because it just gets in the way. I just usually get rid of that. And then I have like these squares that I'm able to use to test the bobbin. Okay, so now you have this so far, right? And now you just take, so simple, right? Take the clothes. You don't have to get the mini pins either. You know, if you have the regular ones, that's fine too. Whatever will fasten. Even if you have like paper clips or whatever you have in your office, you know, anything that will fasten, easier than poking the pin through this. It's great. So once you get rid of that, then look, voila, you have your first piece. And it's like this, see? And then you're gonna cut your second piece the same way, and you're gonna have two pieces. And then we are gonna go into the next step, which will be making the top part. That's going to be in the next video. So there we have it. This video is about making the pattern and cutting out the pieces. Okay, so in the next one, you're going to need your two pieces like this ready, cut. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. If you like what you see and you're learning a lot, please consider subscribing. That would really help me out. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.